Now we will see about sorting. Okay. So generally you might have seen already in the toolbar the sorting symbols here. So which is like, so it has to show from top to bottom or lowest to highest. So these are the generic sort options, and you can observe that sort symbol here also. Okay. So this, even here also you can manage that. And if you click on this, any of the field whatever you have dragged into rows or columns, here also you'll be having that sort option. If you click on it, so you will get some options here. Okay, like so data source level, alphabetical order, by field if you want to sort it out. So by field if you mention, so it will ask like a descending or ascending, if you how you would like to do it. And by alphabetical order also, so it will just go, so even, so like a from last to highest, like so like that alphabetical. So data source level order means it's like how the data is coming in the data source. I mean, let's say if this customer name is came in the first, so this will come first. So if it comes only this name, so it will come like that. So how it was coming in the data source level. So manually if you would like to do, so even if you can just move around, so which one you have to put it on top or down, so you can do that. So nested is something that, so it will do an automatic version, and based on our filters, so this will move automatically. So if you are not doing anything, so just simply just like individual, the moment you will just come up. So if you just kept it like this, so if you observe, so the values will be changing. Okay, the customer name. So if you see here, so it has to show like this. So next, if I go and filter on it, sorry, on the sorting, so it is on the manual now. So that's why it is showing that. So what I'll do now, I'll click on the next nested, and it will be, so it is in the ascending. So what I'll do is it should show always in the descending. So if you filter on any other things also, it will just sort it accordingly. So nested is something like based on our filters also, it will just filter, and it will apply that sorting controls, whatever we have given initially. Either it will be like a top to bottom or bottom to top, however it may be. So those are the sorting options we have. So sorting, why it will helpful is like even to show like a top values on first and the lowest values on top. So everything it will help. And at the same time, as per the formatting wise also, so it looks neat when you put it in a sorting and you can show. But after you complete this, if you're not to show this sorting control to user. Okay, so until unless he asks that, so what you have to do is you have to go to worksheet here, and you have the show sort controls option. So now if you see, so you're not seeing that sort control options here. But if you go to worksheet and click on the show sort controls, so here also you're getting, and here also you're getting the same sort controls what we are seeing there. Okay, so you can just remove and add them, all those sort controls. So that is about the sorting. Okay, so today we have seen about the filters and sorting. So in this itself, in the top 10 or something, so we'll cover this sorting. So that's why I thought I can just show you that sorting also to you guys, how it will be working. So this is fine. And only the thing is, you have to do that practice. I'm not sure how you are doing about the yesterday's scenarios. So hope you are doing well on Saturday when we are discussing. I mean, so last time, so we didn't have much and we didn't discuss much. Okay, but this time we'll be discussing more and more. So maybe last time it may be like 1.5 hour or something. Maybe this time it will go like a 3 hours also. I don't know, but I want everyone to be clear and everyone to be worked on each data set. See, maybe I might ask one person to show everything. I may ask only one person can show one. So it depends on my mood on Saturday. So please do practice and be prepared, like what you understand on that question and what you understand on that scenario exactly. When you are creating a view, you should understand that. Okay. Yes.
I mean, ఈ వీక్ కూడా వస్తారన్న మీరు బెంగళూరుకి లేకపోతే
I'll see. I'll let you know.
ఓకే
So no, no, if I'm coming, I'll let you know before one day.
యా ఓకే
But yeah, so just do a practice. See, even if I'm not coming also, I'll connect through the call, and for sure we have to do this sessions. Why? Because from now onwards you need more practice. See, till that's why I told last time it was fine. So even though if you're not done, so I'm okay, but this time you have to do it. So I'll not be simply sitting in the call and I will not ask you to just do it in the call. So I want you guys to be prepared all those views and come to that session. So in that session, whatever you have done, we will see, and we will discuss like how you had done it. Then we will understand whether you have understood that concept clearly or not. Okay, so for today's, just take the task about the top 10 product names to be shown by profit with respect to the category. So I'm giving all the fields also to you guys, what you have to use: product name, profit, and category. So take this and create that scenario, and then if you create that clearly, you will understand the context filter concept clearly. Okay. So do you guys have any other doubts? Okay. So if not, we'll wrap up. Please do practice. I mean, as I told, from now on, you'll need more practice to learn the subject. Okay. So please do it. Okay, guys. Then we'll catch up tomorrow. So then we will see. So